Hi lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about how to treat and take care of the hair. Stop unnecessary hair fall, fight premature grey hair, grow your hair very fast, and stop stubborn dandruff. Now, if you want to treat premature grey hair, itchy scalp, and dandruff, all you need is onion peels. After peeling your onions, pour the peels inside the pot and add some water. Cover your pot, then allow it to boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Bring it down and let it cool for some minutes. Get a small container and pour the water inside it. This water will change the grey hair to golden brown by nourishing the hair follicles. Spray this liquid onto your hair and scalp. Allow it to sit for 30 minutes before rinsing it off. The next one is how to make onion oil for hair growth. All you need for this oil is some onions. Wash them and blend them inside a blender. But if you don't have blender, you can slice the onion or you can grate it the way I'm grating mine now. Hair loss is a serious problem and practically all women are tired of it. Like, seeing how much your hair falls each day is so disheartening. So this onion oil will help you treat baldness and hair loss. There was one video I made and I got so many comments there. People were asking me what if they don't have blender. Please guys, if you don't have blender, make use of grater or you can slice your onions, period. After slicing your onions, get coconut oil. And note that if you add plenty coconut oil, you will have plenty onion oil. I'll go ahead and pour my grated onions. These big onions you are seeing now is the ones I couldn't grate. Please don't mind the way I slice the onions. I don't want the grater to injure my hands. The most important thing is to fry the onion. Stir the onions with a spatula and allow the onions to fry for 3 to 5 minutes. After frying it, allow it to cool down. Use a cheesecloth to strain out the oil. The next thing I'll add is my essential oil. I'll be adding some few drops of tea tree oil to mask the smell of the onion oil. Apply it onto your scalp and hair, then leave it overnight. Rinse it off in the morning. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can also share this video to your loved ones. Thanks for watching.